Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this retro text that you see on the screen, and at the end we'll make a macro so you can save it and reuse it. We'll start here on the edit page. Go to Media Pool, right click, New Fusion Comp. You can name it if you'd like to, but you don't have to, and leave it on 5 seconds. And go to Fusion. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms, in case you wonder why I have it up there in the way. Let's start with a text node. Put the text you're liking in, pick your font, set your tracking and everything for your default settings. And then right click on the text node, copy, click away, right click and paste instance. Same thing right here. If you don't know what an instance is, it's an exact copy of whatever node you've taken it off from. Little green line indicates they're connected. Everything in the inspector highlighted in green, and if it's not highlighted in green, it's also connected to the original node still. We're going to de-instance the color. Go to shading on the first instance. Right click on the red and de-instance. Do the other two. Then go to the second instance. Do the same thing. Let's get a rectangle. Take the width all the way up. Then right click on the rectangle. Copy. Click away and paste instance. With the instance selected, go to the inspector, right click on the center, X and Y, and de-instance. We'll come back to these. Select the text node. Pick a color for your center. Then the first instance of the text node. In the shading, pick your top color. And the second instance of the text, pick your bottom color. Now let's go back to the rectangle instance. I'm going to go 0.225. We may come back and readjust this, but for the sake of the tutorial, I'm not going to get too picky with it. Now the rectangle. .775. With the rectangle selected, set the soft edge to 0.02 or to your liking. Select the merge 2, get a transform. Go see how it looks. Let's rename some of these nodes. Transform, main controls. The first instance, top color. Second instance, bottom color. And the original rectangle, top mask. And the rectangle instance, bottom mask. Okay, we're ready to make the macro. Click away, make sure nothing's selected. Hold the control button down. Select these in the order that I do. Hit A on the keyboard. Keep the control button down. Deselect the media out. Right click on any one of the other nodes. I think that's my keyboard does this to me. Go to macro, create macro. Give it a name. And follow along. Shading. In front of color, put in center. Top mask. Center, delete that and put in top mask. Bottom mask. Delete center and put in bottom mask. Top color. Go to shading. In front of color, put in top. Bottom color. To shading again. Put bottom in front of color. Main controls. Go to file. Save as group. It takes you to macros. Go to Fusion instead. Templates. Edit. Titles. Here is where you're going to want to make your folder to put your preset in. I recommend name it different. Put an underscore or something in there. If it's exactly the same, Resolve won't recognize it. If you can't find it, you may have to restart Resolve. If you click on it, look at the inspector, you have all your controls. Center X and Y, resize, upper and lower mask, soft edge in between, can have a hard edge. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.